viewers. I'm Mr. Otemu, Organizero teaching on YouTube. I encourage new subscribers to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Math Success. This is construction of quadrilateral. So using a ruler and a pair of compass only, construct a quadrilateral PXY such that line PX is 9.9 centimeter, QX is 10.2 centimeter, angle P is 75 degree, QY is 10.4, and PQ is parallel to XY. Take note of that when you are constructing your own. Now construct the locus L1 of point equidistant from X and Y. That is, we are going to bisect line XY. Then locus L2 of point equidistant from QY and XYX. Now locate N, the point of intersection of L1 and L2, and measure PM. It's a white question 2003. So what we do first is to draw a line. After drawing a line, you now think of what to measure. The angle is on P, so I will take PX as my base. I'm not drawing my own to scale. Draw your own to scale. Now, if my own is this, which is my 9.9, I will put it at this end, draw and add, put it at the other end, draw another add, which is now P and X. Take note of that. P and X, which is 9.9 centimeter. So having done that, you now consider the next thing is the angle. The angle is drawn on P, which is 75 degrees. So what you do is to take a smaller radius. Take a smaller radius, put it at this point, draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle. You see, extend. Now, you put it here, draw a semicircle. Let me extend the line. Okay, you now draw a semicircle. You put it here, you take it down. Put it at this point, you draw a semicircle. Now put it at this point, you draw 60 degrees. Put it at this point, you draw 120 degrees. Put it at this point, you take it up, we are constructing 90 degrees. Now, when you put it there, you draw a broken line for this point to this point. You now draw a broken line from that point to that point. So after doing that, you now put it at this point to cut this. This is your angle 75 degree. That is angle 75 degree. You touch both ends, you draw a straight line. This is 75 degree. Now, we are going to construct another 75 degree here, which is 105 with the same scale, 22 centimeter. Put it here. Construct 120. Put it here. 60. Take it up. Then take it up again. Now you draw another straight line. You draw another broken line here. So when you want to construct it again, you put it at this point, you cut this. This is 105, which is 75 outside. So you draw a straight line from this point of X that will pass through this point. You draw a straight line. Now we are done with that. The next thing, after we are done with this first measurement and this, I want to from X get Y. So we are going to measure 10.2 centimeters. Like what I said, draw your own to scale. 10.2 centimeters. So I will put it at this point here to get 10.2. Look at my 10.2. So this is 10.2. Here is Q. Now, the other one says we should measure 10.4. From Y, I will get from Q, I want to get Y, which is 10.4. So you put it there, take it a little bit to 10.4. So from here, you cut this line. You cut that line. So this is now 10.4. Here is now our Y, which is Q. Y is 10.4. So I will join X to Y. Q to Y, sorry. I will join Q to Y. I will join Q to Y. Now, which is here is now 10.4 centimeters. So what the first thing to do is to bisect line XY to get our locus L1. So what will bisect line XY? I will take more than half of the radius of XY. So when I put it at this point, take more than half. This is more than half, take note. So after doing that, we draw something here. Come and draw something there. Put it at Y. Draw something here. Now draw something here. So that is our L1. So you will draw a straight line from here to here. That is our X1. Our L1. You draw a straight line. Correct. So this is L1. Now, what's the other one? So we should find L2 a distance from QY and XY. They have Y in common. So it won't, if we pass through this angle Y, look at it. Q, Y, and XY. So I will put it at this point of Y. I can take any dimension of my choice. I will bisect this line. I will cut this line. That means from here to here is equal distance from here to here. So I will put it at this point. You can extend it, you want to extend it. You draw something like this there. You come to the triangle, you draw something like this there. I will put it here. I will cut it. I will cut it. So that is our L2. So I will draw from this point, passing here to this point. That is our L2. Okay. This is our L2. And let us go now. So, locate the point N where the two intersect. Here is now our N. If there's our N, E now, D now, so we should measure line PN. Go to measure line PN, you put it, your point of, using your pair of divider, put it at P, extend it to N, take your ruler, it gives us 9.3 centimeters. So 9.3. So in Y we now plus or minus 0.1. If 9.3 is the correct answer, if you have 9.4, you are correct. If you have 9.2, you are equally correct. I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel again, Otemu Maths Success.